السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أصدقائي. Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. So for the newcomers, I am Mesa, your teacher of English. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn a lot of expressions using get. يعني سنتعلم الكثير من العبارات باستعمال كلمة get. لكن قبل البدء بالفيديو لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة، الضغط على زر لايك، كتابة تعليق مشجع، سأقرأ كل تعليقاتكم، ولما لا مشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم حتى تعم الفائدة بإذن الله. Now let's start the lesson. The first expression is get married. Get married. Okay, وتعني يتزوج الإنسان. We are getting married next year. The wedding will be in August. Number 2, get divorced. Get divorced. Brenda got divorced 10 years ago and she hasn't seen her ex-husband since. Get angry. Get angry. Angry. My sister gets angry when I borrow her clothes without telling her. Get dark. Get dark. The theater's getting dark. I think the movie is starting. Get lost. Get lost. Get lost. Philip got lost in the New York City subway and had to ask for directions to Times Square. Get better. Get better. يتحسن. Larissa's getting better at dancing. She practices every day. Get worse. Get worse. Get worse. If your headache gets worse, you should see a doctor. Get worse. Get more expensive. Get more expensive. Get more expensive. It's getting more and more expensive to buy an apartment in Rio de Janeiro. Get deeper. Get deeper. Get deeper. Be careful, the water gets deeper quickly on that side of the pool. Get up. Get up. Get up. My alarm clock goes off at 6:30, but I don't get up until 7:15. Get along with. Get along with. Get along with. I get along really well with my colleagues. They are a pleasure to work with. Get into. Get into. Get into. How did the dog get into the house? He is supposed to stay outside. Get into. Get out. Get out. Get out. Randall, get out of the car to check the tires. Tires العجلات. Get around. Get around. Get around. It's very easy to get around Berlin. There is a great subway system. Get around. Get together. Get together. Get together. My family always gets together for major holidays like Christmas and New Year's. Get to the office. Get to the office. Get to the office. Get to the office. My boss always gets to the office by 7:30 a.m. Get home. Get home. Get home. I had to work overtime, so I didn't get home until midnight. Get to school. Get to school. Get to school. Sarah got to school late and missed her first class. Get an email. Get an email. Get an email. Get an email. Did you get my email? Did you get my email? Get a certification. Get a certification. Get a certification. 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 I got my scuba diving certification last year. Get a job. Get a job. Get a job. Tanya moved to Los Angeles because she got a job there. She got a job there. Get a computer. Get a computer. Get a computer. I got this computer just last month and it's already broken. انكسر. Get an apartment. Get an apartment. Get an apartment. Have you found a place to live? Yeah, I just got a great apartment right in the city center. Get to the train station. Get to the train station. When they got to the train station, they realized they'd left their ticket at home. Get there. Get there. Get there. I don't know exactly where the post office is. Could you tell me how to get there? Get there. Get more important. Get more important. Get more important. It's getting more important to speak multiple languages in today's globalized world. Globalized world. Get more important. وإلى هنا أصدقائي نصل إلى نهاية الفيديو. أتمنى أن تكونوا استفدتم واستمتعتم ولو بالقليل. لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة، كتابة تعليق مشجع، ضغط على زر لايك، ولما لا مشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم لتعم الفائدة بإذن الله. أراكم في الحلقة القادمة. See you.